You know how to get out of here, Birdie?
Let me open the screen later. See you, monkey. Even Gabby's all, I want that bird.
Now, is it hungry? Is that why it's here?
It was probably trying to eat her cat food.
Oh, yeah.
See, its beak is open right now.
Oh, fuck.
Open the front door.
Thing's gonna peck my eyeballs out. Ah. Ah. Go! Go! Go!
Skate buddy.
Okay, want me to turn on the fan?
No, don't. No, babe, it's gonna hurt itself. You think they'd be smarter than that?
Well, what's it doing out at night,
Are
man?
birds smarter than fifth graders?
I don't know.
Come on, he'll figure it out.
Yeah.
There he goes. Okay, he's close.
Cat's just like, I want some lunch.
Is Gabby looking at it?
I want some lunch. Yeah, Gabby's trying to get it. I think, you know what? I think Gabby did get it because its head looks kind of like it was mauled.
No, she didn't. Get the fishnet.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, look at her. Dude, look at Gabby. Let her get it. Let Gabby get it. It's actually surrendering to you.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, now put it outside.
Can you put like a plate underneath it? Oh, yeah. Treating it like it's a spider or something.
Poor baby. Don't break your wing, dingy ding ding.
Woo.
Oh, he went right to the next door.